Unajua sisi mimi na William Ruto, because we are hustlers and downtrodden people, we get a lot of information. Hata mtu aliniambia juzi, "Wewe unaenda Naivasha? Wacha nikupatie list ya ile watu yote wanatusumbua. Upatie hawa watu. Wakikosa kufanya, ujue wako na shida." So the commissioner, you have it. Do what you must do. Let us prepare our young people for affordable houses. This program of affordable housing require labor from our young people. We require fundis. Sasa hii watoto wetu wote wamekunywa pombe ile mbaya, wamelala kwa mitaro. Wengine wameoa juzi, kuliko kulala kwa kitanda juu wanalala chini ya kitanda. Wamekunywa pombe haramu, wamevuta bangi. So this program of you as PS Hinga, how will it work with a drunken nation? If all our young people are drunk and they are sleeping on trenches, they don't even recognize each other, how will it work? So some people are saying that I've been allocated useless duties of fighting alcohol and banking. It's part of the housing program. I want you to look at it that way. I am not just fighting this alcohol and banking for the sake of it. I want to prepare the workforce to do the housing program. With those very many remarks, the future is urban. Kwani mumesahau? The future is urban. Asanteni sana. May God bless you and bless you abundantly. Thank you.